Sizzling Dragon's Breath. A delicious Sichuan Chinese main course recipe. This recipe serves 4 servings. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 200 grams dried rice crust, 3 cups vegetable oil, 250 grams pork tenderloin, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 4 pieces dried shiitake mushrooms, 50 grams bamboo shoots, a half carrot, 10 pieces snow peas. Step 1. In a medium bowl, combine the sliced pork tenderloin with Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes to velvet the meat. Step 2. Prepare the sauce base by whisking together the chicken broth, oyster sauce, sugar, and white pepper in a small jug. Set aside. Step 3. Heat a wok over high heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir-fry the marinated pork until it just turns opaque, about 2 minutes. Remove the pork from the wok and set aside. It will finish cooking in the sauce. Step 4. Wipe the wok clean. Add another tablespoon of oil and saute the ginger, garlic, and the white parts of the scallions until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Step 5. Add the mushrooms, bamboo shoots, and carrots. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened but still vibrant. Step 6. Pour the prepared sauce base into the wok. Bring to a vigorous boil. Step 7. Add the snow peas and the partially cooked pork back into the wok. Let it simmer for 1 minute. Step 8. Slowly drizzle in the cornstarch slurry while stirring constantly until the sauce thickens into a glossy, heavy glaze. Stir in the sesame oil and keep this sauce at a low simmer on the back burner. Step 9. In a separate deep pot or clean wok, heat 3 cups of oil to 190 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It must be very hot so the rice crusts puff up instantly. Step 10. Carefully drop the dried rice crusts, goba, into the hot oil. They should puff up and turn golden brown within 15 to 30 seconds. Drain them immediately on paper towels. Step 11. Quickly arrange the hot, crispy rice crusts on a large, deep serving platter. Step 12. This is the showtime step. Carry the platter of rice and the pot of bubbling sauce to the dining table. Pour the boiling sauce over the crispy rice in front of your guests to create the signature loud sizzling sound. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.